again on our knees in a hero pose. All right, knock it back there. We're gonna take some deep breaths. And inhale, raising your arms up. I'm gonna turn this way. Raising your arms up as you go. Come on, raise them up in the air. Breathing in as you stretch and reach. I am focused. That's my intention for the day. All right, and then exhale. You're a little crooked. Can I fix you? Because I'm kind of a little ADD. You know, I like everything being nice and even, Steven. You're cool, you're cool. Hang on, dudes and chicks. I wouldn't have to cut my head off or anything, you know what I mean? There you go. Okay, here we go. Let's do it again. All right, raise your arms up, stretching your arms out as far as they'll go. Feel that energy moving between your hands. Push them out. Raise it up. Inhale as you go. Exhale. Down. Hey. All right, let's do it again. Inhale. And breathe on your knees. Okay, so on our knees, baby. We're gonna do a nice flow. We're gonna go head to toe. All right, so we'll start out actually with our shoulders forward shoulders, and move your head upward in your cow pose. All right, your booty should be nice and up. And suck it in. Exhale, push it forward. Shoulders back, head up. And curl your toes under and push your bottom back. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Let's raise one foot in the air. Hold it there. Curl your feet around. Give them a little workout. Take a deep breath. Or two or three. Just play with me. Hold that leg up as far as you can. You might be down here. It's okay. Or you might be down here. That's okay too. Just get it up there. Get it up there. Work that bun. Work those buns. All right, let's go. 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 Woo! Yeah. Hold it there. Now bend it back. Ooh, nice side body stretch. So we're moving from our shoulders back to our arms and our side body. Let's move it down. Can you touch the ground behind you? Like this. And then let's raise one arm up. Awesome. Smooth move, X-Lax. Ooh, did I say that out loud? Sorry. All right, hold it. Hey, everybody. In the metaverse and in La La Land, TV Land, whatever. Hey, guys. All right, let's bring it back. My hand's starting to go to sleep. Alrighty, let's stretch it out. Stretch it out. How far can you go? Can you get your heels down on the mat? Don't hurt yourself getting there. You might be here, you might be here. Yeah, but that's all right. Okay, you are on your journey. Now, raise the other leg up in the air. Hold it there. Hold it there. You can play around with this. You can touch your head. If you can. Yep. And if you really want to work, you can work your hips. Okay, you can move your knee from side to side, and that'll work your hips. All right, but for right now, let's just drop it down. Let's drop it down behind us. behind you. So your legs are crossed. All right, they're crossed. And then you're gonna raise, you got one foot on the floor, both feet are on the floor, your toes are on the floor. And you're gonna raise that hand up in the air and lay it over your head. You don't have to touch your head. You're gonna keep your shoulders away from your ears. Tidy up those buns now. Keep yourself centered, focused. Now breathe. And bring it back. And walk your dog. Walkie, walkie. Walkie, walkie. All right. And then lower your elbows down. We're going to move ourselves into a nice dolphin pose. How about that? Can you touch your heels to the mat? I certainly cannot. Maybe if I move up a little. Oh, that's hard. Oh, that's hard. Okay. All right, let's see. Got my little aromatherapy ball in front of me. I want to sniff on that little booger. Here we go. Raise one leg. Hold it if you can. If you can't, that's okay. Don't worry about it. Just hold the dolphin pose. Hold it. On your toes. And drop it down. Knees to the mat. Feet flat. Booty down. Lower your back. Sink your head down. Third eye on the mat. And give that third eye a nice massage. Okay. Breathe. Exhale. All right, let's move back into our dolphin pose. Okay, here we go. First, buns up. Buns up, baby. Okay, and then curl your toes under. And up we go. Oh yeah. Okay, now we're gonna raise the other leg in the air. And hold it there. And let it down. Bring it down. Rest your back, lower back. That's right. Lower back. Nice counter pose. Exactly. And then rise up to the occasion. Hands behind your back. You want to lock your fingers together. Hold it. Whew. Aerospace. And hold it back. Dog. Release your hands. Bring them forward to the mat. We're going to have short flow today. I've got to divide things up into two little formats. Sorry, guys. Okay, so let's do a little bit more. You're gonna walk up and into, or walk up. Your hands are gonna walk up. All right, and maybe you'll move your knees back a little bit, but what your ultimate goal is an upward facing dog. Knees off the mat, booty nice and tight. And bring it back into a cat pose. And wiggle that booty. Give that kitty cat a nice stretch. All right, you want to stretch one leg out. And then you can bring one foot behind you. And another stretch, another side body stretch. Okay. My toes are crabby. And bring it back. Curl your knee, bring your other knee back like this, and stretch your stretch. Yeah. Absolute mundo. Back into your hero pose. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, we're going to do some head rotations. All right, cool down. Short yoga session. So lower your head. Turn your head to one side, bringing your ear close to your shoulder. Don't raise your shoulders up, keep them down. And you're rotating your head back, inhaling as you move your head back. Hold it in the back. Focus. I am. So for me, my affirmations go something like this. I am. Focus. I am. And just pray to myself, of course. Inhale. Hold it. Exhale. Last one this direction, and then we're gonna get I'm gonna go the other way. Inhale. Hold it. Exhale. Other way, let's go. Bring it back. I am. Inhale. Hold it. Exhale. Last one. Breathe. Yay. Let it go. Rise up. Ooh, is your head spinning? I'm a little lightheaded. I think it's just from hanging out with you folks. All right, so I am going to thank you so much for joining me and for having this nice yoga flow. And if you want to, you can jump over to Facebook. I'm going to switch gears now, and because I got my other camera set up. All right, once you get that, everybody all wants. So you can just pick your channel. Won't that be cool? All right, thanks for joining me and wishing you a joyful and prosperous day. Namaste. Oh, subscribe.